In this video, I will show you how to lock Instagram app with Face ID on iPhone. I will show you how to exactly lock Instagram or any app in your iPhone with your Face ID. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Once you are using iOS 18, as you can see, I'm using iOS 18. Now all you have to need, hard press on your Instagram app, and before that set up your Face ID in your iPhone. Now hard press on your Instagram app and just tap on require Face ID and tap on here you can only lock your Instagram app, or you can lock and hide your Instagram app. So right now we will lock our Instagram app with Face ID, right? So tapping on require Face ID, and now verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, now on whenever you try to open your Instagram app, you have to verify your Face ID. After verifying your Face ID, you'll be able to use your Instagram app. So that's how we can lock Instagram app with Face ID. And to unlock your Instagram, again hard press on Instagram, tap on don't require Face ID, verify your Face ID, and your app will be unlocked. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.